Good morning, student. Today we discuss the topic vector, and in this topic the point is angle between two vectors. Angle between two vectors. Suppose two vectors A and B. This is O A B, and OA means A bar and OB means B bar. Here O is the initial point. Then we say that the angle between AOA is theta. That means angle. Next, here OBA is theta. A bar and B bar. Here O is the initial point and this point is common, that means coincide. This is angle, this is obtuse. Suppose the two vectors O A B, the angle of these vectors is A bar and B bar is a geometry, because the directions of vectors is same. Again, suppose opposite direction vectors is then this theta is 180. 180 means pi radian. Theta is 180 means pi radian. थोडक्यात हे एंगल झाला. आता याचे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स आपल्याला बेसिक माहित आहे. ऍक्च्युअल मध्ये फिजिक्स मध्ये हे पॉइंट आहे डॉट प्रोडक्ट, वेक्टर प्रोडक्ट, स्केलर प्रोडक्ट आहेत. तेच इथं आहे. फर्स्ट स्केलर प्रोडक्ट is known as dot. Dot is symbol means is known as dot product. Suppose two vectors A and B, then the angle between these two vectors is theta here, and the scalar product is denoted by A bar dot B bar equal to, and is defined as mod A bar into mod B bar into cos theta, where theta is the angle between vectors A and B. Is known as the scalar product or dot. Symbol dot means is known as dot product. ह्याच्या property note, basic note आहे. Note first, if either A bar equal to 0, एक वेक्टर जगह असेल किंवा दूसरा वेक्टर जगह असेल, either A bar equal to 0 or B bar equal to 0, then theta is not dependent. Then theta is not dependent. In this case we define the product of two vectors is 0. In this case we define the product of A and B is 0. Then note second, if theta is equal to 0, then using this definition, this A bar dot B bar equal to mod A bar into mod B bar into cos 0. Cos 0 means 1. That means it is mod A bar into mod B bar. If A bar dot A bar equal to mod of A bar square, A bar dot A bar equal to mod of A bar square, as theta is equal to 0, as theta is equal to 0. Then if theta is equal to pi, then A bar dot B bar equal to mod of A bar into mod of b work into cos pi, but we know that cos pi is -1, that means is minus of a work into minus of mod a work into mod b work. Then this note is important. If a work and b work are perpendicular, or is known as orthogonal, if vector a and b perpendicular or orthogonal, then either a bar equal to 0 or b bar equal to 0 or theta is equal to pi by 2 means 90. Convex screen, that means convex screen if a bar dot b bar equal to 0, then these conditions a equal to 0, b equal to 0, theta is equal to pi by 2, and also this a bar dot b bar equal to mod of a bar into mod of b bar into cos theta, interchange the magnitude, that means mod of b bar into mod of a bar into cos theta, this is equal to b bar dot a bar, that means dot product is commutative, dot product is commutative. Then you know that dot product is the distributive over vector addition, that means next note is if three vectors a b c, then a bar dot b bar plus c bar equal to a bar dot b bar plus a bar dot c bar, is known as the vector product. This is known as the addition product, dot product distributive over the vector addition. Then next 6 is if any two vectors a and b and m and n are the scalar, if any two vectors a and b and m and n are the scalars, then first m into a bar dot n into b bar equal to m n into a bar dot b bar, and second m into a bar dot b bar equal to m into a bar dot b bar. This is equal to a bar dot m into b bar. This is basic property. And number 7 note is mod of a bar dot b bar is less than equal to mod of a bar into mod of b bar. This is known as, this property is known as Cauchy-Squarz. This property is known as Cauchy-Squarz. Inequality this is known as Cauchy-Squarz inequality. The next is finding the angle between finding the angle between two vectors. Next point is finding the angle between two vectors. Angle theta as theta between 0 to pi between two non-zero vectors A and B, between two non-zero vectors A and B is given by cos theta is equal to, by definition, this is A bar dot B bar divided by its magnitude, that means mod of A bar into mod of B bar. That means you have to find theta, that means theta is equal to cos inverse of A bar dot B bar divided by mod of A bar into mod of B bar. This is the angle between two vectors. Note first, if j less than or equal to theta less than pi by 2, that means this is first quadrant, then cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar divided by mod of A bar into mod of B bar, which is greater than 0. That means the product of two vector is greater than 0. That means theta is acute. Theta कैसा से acute से. Second note is if theta is equal to pi by 2, that means 90. If theta is equal to pi by 2, then cos theta is equal to A bar dot B bar divided by mod of A bar into mod of B bar equal to 0. That means A bar dot B bar equal to 0. That means theta is a right angle. Theta is a right angle. Third, if pi by 2 less than equal to theta less than pi or equal to pi, if pi by 2 less than theta less than equal to pi, then cos theta equal to A bar dot B bar divided by mod of A bar into mod of B bar is less than 0. That means this A bar dot B bar is less than 0. That means negative. Hence, this theta is obtuse. Theta is obtuse. Next, in particular, the vector unit vector I j k. That means first I dot I is equal to j dot j equal to k dot k. This I j k means unit vector like on the x-axis, y-axis and z-axis. This is equal to 1, and I dot k dot j dot I equal to 0. क्या सेम असताना 1 आहे, डिफरंट असताना 0. The scalar product of vectors of A vectors A bar equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap, and B bar equal to B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. Therefore, A bar dot B bar equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap plus B1 I cap plus B2 j cap plus B3 k cap. This is equal to You know that I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1. This is a1 a2, a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 and mod of a log equal to magnitude means a1 square plus a2 square plus a3 square mod of b log equal to square root of its coefficient square addition b1 square plus b2 square plus b3 square. Therefore cos theta equal to cos theta is a log dot b log divided by mod of a log into mod of b log means a1 b1 plus a2 b2 plus a3 b3 divided by square root of a1 square plus b1 square plus c1 square into square root of a2 square plus b2 square plus c2 square. This is the angle between two vectors which the vector is given in terms of I, j, k, that means point. I means unit vector of x-axis, j means unit vector along the y-axis, and z means unit vector along the z-axis. I, j, k is known as the unit vectors. Next point is projection of a1 on b1. पुढचं पॉइंट आहे प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ a1 on b1. यासाठी इथे किती आवश्यक आहे हा को पॉइंट ए इथे बी असेल एम वेक्टर OB means b1, the vector OA means a1. This angle is theta. Draw AM perpendicular to the b1. Then the segment OM, then the segment OM is called the projection of a1 on b1. This is called the projection of a1 on b1. We have cos theta equal to, in this figure, cos theta is equal to adjacent side, that means OM divided by hypotenuse means OA. Therefore, this OM equal to OA means vector A, that means it is magnitude of A bar into cos theta, magnitude of A bar into cos theta. Therefore, this OM is projection of A bar on B bar. आता ऍडजस्टमेंट साठी या एसेंस घेऊन टाका एसेंस इथं आहे ते बॉडी bar into cos theta थोडा चेंज करतो multiply and divide mod of B bar. This is equal to A bar dot B bar divided by mod B bar. But you know that the vector upon its magnitude means unit vector. And this is A bar dot B cap is the projection of A bar on B bar. Similarly, projection of B bar on A bar means काय जे वेक्टर नंतर आहे त्याच्या काढायचं कसं घ्यायचं म्हणजे काय ना mod of A bar divided by mod of B bar into cos theta upon its magnitude, that means A bar dot B bar divided by mod of A bar means this is B bar dot A cap, B equal dot A cap. Point आहे direction angles and direction cosine, direction angles and direction cosines. The direction angles of a non-zero vector A, non-zero vector A are the angles. The angles are alpha, beta, gamma, and between 0 to pi belongs to equation interval 0 to pi. That A1 makes with the positive x, y, z axis respectively. But क्या A1 with x axis the angle is alpha, A1 with y axis this angle is beta, and A1 with the z axis this angle is gamma. With the cosines of these direction angles, that means cos alpha, cos beta and cos gamma, where is notation where here is equal to cos alpha, m is equal to cos beta and n is equal to cos gamma. Notation आहे here म्हणजे असेल cos alpha, m म्हणजे असेल cos beta आणि n म्हणजे असेल cos gamma. As डी लेखक आहे एक्स एक्सिस, वाय एक्सिस, जेड एक्सिस, वेक्टर असेल A1, हा असेल A2, हा असेल A3, ओ पॉइंट टोटल वेक्टरचा रिझल्टंट असेल दिस इज A1, दिस अँगल इज alpha, असेल बीटा, इकडे असेल gamma, and this A1 means the point is A1, A2, A3. हे आपण मागे बघितलं आहे मागच्या पॉइंट मध्ये. This is the three dimensional geometry of coordinate system. As alpha is the angle between I cap along the x axis and कुठे आहे alpha हे I cap आहे j cap what is known to me I cap j cap and k cap and कुठे आहे ते vector and the A1 equal to A1 I cap plus A2 j cap plus A3 k cap. Then dot product of these two vectors, that means cos alpha equal to A1 dot I cap divided by mod of A again by mod of I cap. You know that magnitude of unit vector is 1. That means this is A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap into I cap divided by mod A bar. This is equal to, you know that I dot I is 1. That means this is A1 divided by mod of A bar. This is cos alpha. Similarly, cos beta equal to E2 divided by mod of A bar. Cos beta between two type J cap and A bar. You know that J dot J is 1 and third is cos gamma is equal to A3 divided by mod of A bar by where this mod of A bar means square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square by squaring and adding, by squaring and adding we get तीनों चीज square and addition हो गया, we get cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma. This is equal to A1 square upon mod of A square, A2 square upon mod of A square plus A3 square upon mod of A square. Denominator same है, because addition होती A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square divided by mod of A1 square. What will do that? Mod A1 means square root of A1 square plus A2 square plus A3 square. This will cancel. This is equal to 1. Hence, cos square alpha, cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. That means F square plus F square plus L square equal to 1. As A1 equal to A1 I cap plus A2 J cap plus A3 K cap, that means here this A1 means mod of A1 into cos alpha I cap, A2 means mod of A1 into cos beta J cap plus mod A3 means mod A1 into cos gamma into K cap. Here mod A1 get common into, that means cos alpha I cap plus cos beta J cap plus cos gamma K cap. Therefore, this cos alpha I cap cos beta J cap plus cos gamma K cap equal to A1 divided by its magnitude. You know that this cos alpha means here I cap plus M J cap plus M K cap equal to, this is the unit vector. This is the unit vector A cap. That means cos alpha into I cap plus cos beta into J cap plus cos gamma into K cap equal to A cap. This is the unit vector. Next, direction cosines of any line. One is direction cosines, in short is known as DCS. Direction cosines of any point, so any line, direction cosines of any line along vector A has same direction cosines, as that of A1 with the x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. Here dash O. Suppose the angle is alpha. Has it with the pi. This is pi minus alpha. This is beta. Pi minus beta. Gamma. Pi minus gamma. Direction cosines, you know that, denoted by cos. Here means cos alpha, here means cos beta, here means cos gamma. The direction cosines of x, y, z axis, direction cosines of x, y, z axis are, you know that, cos 0 means 1, that means 1, 0, 0. And these two axis is perpendicular, means cos 90 0. Second 0 1 0 and third 0 0 1 respectively. This is the direction cosines of x, y, z axis. T alpha beta gamma are the direction angles of a vector OL, then those of vector OL dash, then those of vectors OL dash is pi minus alpha, pi minus beta, pi minus gamma. That means next the direction cosines of a vector OL are cos alpha, cos beta, cos gamma, and those of vector OL dash are cos pi minus alpha, cos pi minus beta, and cos pi minus gamma. You know that cos of pi minus theta means minus, cos theta means minus, cos alpha minus cos beta minus cos gamma. Hence the direction cosines of a line here dash is known as is equivalent to here is equivalent to minus here minus here plus or minus here plus or minus here plus or minus here. As we know that cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma equal to 1. That means is equal to L square plus M square plus L square equal to 1. L square plus M square plus L square equal to 1. The next is direction ratios is the direction cosines असे डायरेक्शन रेशोज म्हणजे असतात नंबर next point is direction ratios means the real numbers proportional to the direction cosines proportional to the direction cosines of a line are curved the direction ratios of that direction ratios of that line. That means if be the direction cosines DCS direction cosines of a line and ABC be the real numbers, then A upon N equal to P upon N equal to C upon N equal to lambda a constant. Lambda means some constant. This is constant. Then ABC are the direction ratios of a line. The ABC are the direction ratios of a line. Example: if 1 upon root 3 minus 1 upon root 3 are the direction cosines of a line. Then its direction ratios are 1 minus 1 1 or 2 minus 2 2 or lambda minus lambda extra. इथे 1 रेशो मध्ये तुम्ही किती घेऊ शकता फक्त कंडिशनल पाहिजे 1 minus 1 1 2 minus 2 5 minus 5 minus 7 7 minus 7 असं किती घेऊ शकता. thus a line this line has infinitely many direction ratios but unique direction cosines. Note महत्वाचे thus a line has infinitely many direction ratios but unique direction cosines. Next point is the relation between direction ratios and direction cosine. One is the relation between direction ratios and direction cosines. Let A, B, C be the direction ratios of a line having direction direction cosines then m upon a equal to m upon b equal to n upon c equal to some constant gamma. Therefore, m is equal to a gamma, m is equal to b gamma, n is equal to c gamma. As m square plus n square equal to 1, as m square means cos square alpha, m means cos square beta, and n square means cos square gamma equal to 1. Therefore, a gamma bracket square plus b gamma bracket square plus c gamma bracket square is equal to 1. Therefore, gamma square into a square plus b square plus c square 1. Gamma is equal to plus or minus 1 divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Therefore, Cn is equal to plus or minus a divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. Substitute this. Gamma is equal to in this. M is equal to plus or minus b divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square, and n is equal to plus or minus c divided by square root of a square plus b square plus c square. इथे या पॉइंटची हे संपते. नेक्स्ट आपण त्याचे एक्झाम्पल घेऊ. दॅट मीन्स एक्सरसाइज 1.3. ओके, थँक्यू. 보내드릴게요. 네.